Hi, I'm Randy Altman with Post Perspective. We're here with Colorfront's Bruno Munger. Hello, Bruno.
Hey, how are you, Randy?
I know that you guys introduced the Colorfront streaming server. Do you want to talk a little bit about that, but also about what we've seen industry-wise in the last 18 months and how your company has changed in terms of making product that might help remote workflows?
Lucky for us, before the pandemic, we started to work on streaming technology. So we kind of like showed it even at IBC 2020 or 2019. We showed our streaming technology at IBC, and then we said, oh, it'd be cool one day we'll do remote workflow. And then the pandemic hit like 6 months later or 5 months later, and then we said, oh, lucky us, we worked on remote workflow technology, and we should maybe finish it, right? So we continued working on it. So our first stage is that we've enabled all of our products to have natively streaming technology, right? So if you think about onset dailies, transcoder, express dailies, all of these products today, since the version of 2020, do have remote workflow. So this is part of our product, and it's been used by the likes of Panavisions on certain shows where they deploy express dailies to do dailies, and then the colorist is in Albuquerque and the post-production is in New Jersey. And then the colorist can actually see the video right out of express dailies directly across the internet from New Jersey to Albuquerque. So that's been very successful. This was like last year, end of 2020, people started to use that. Then in the beginning of 2021, we said we need to expand that technology outside of Colorfront. So we came up with a standalone unit doing the same streaming technology. So that came with the Colorfront streaming server. So the Colorfront streaming server, instead of using express dailies, onset dailies, and transcoder, it's a baseband NDI or HDSDI input. So basically you have a resolve or base slides or anything that supports video, and you feed it into the server and it encodes it and make it secure and streams it across the internet. So it's a server that actually transform your baseband video or your NDI video or virtual video in or IP-based video and converts it to a secured SRT-based stream.
Okay, and in terms of platforms that people could use the server on, you're pretty open, correct?
Yeah, at the moment the server is a box, right? It's a 1 RU unit. So we sell the software, and then some of our hardware manufacturers, the system integrators, they actually make the 1 RU unit, and we just we put the software on it. So the idea is that the hardware itself is a Windows box, a Windows Server box, but it actually interface with anybody. Like you have a Flame system, you have a Resolve system, all of these, we're agnostic, right? So if you can send video in a router, we can take that video and stream it across the internet.
Can we talk about some UHD and HDR stuff and how your
Absolutely.
company's been dealing with that?
Yeah, so UHD, like all of our servers and all of our technology are multi-channel. So you can have up to two UHD channels per server. And then all of the streaming supports HDR. So what does that mean? HDR, we support HDR10, HLG, or Dolby Vision. So that means that you could be a colorist sending Dolby Vision out of your Resolve. We take the Dolby Vision signal and we send it across the internet, and then on the receiving end at your house, you connect your laptop directly to your LG, Sony, or any Dolby compatible consumer TV, and then you can see the Dolby Vision stream previewed right on your consumer TV.
So in terms of new technology, what is it that you guys have been working on in addition to the streaming server? Is there something that you could talk about?
Yeah, we're working on the whole management of streams, right? So how do I invite you, and Larry and other people to watch a review session. So we're working on a system that is secured with two-factor authentication, where I can ensure that, Randy, if I send you a link for unreleased content, that this actually, the link, only you can watch it and it's secured, and that link is unique to you. So we're working on this whole management system that allows us to not only stream, but securely send individual link, and also the ability to ensure that you are the person watching that stream.
So it's secure, safe.
Yeah, we were also involved in like multiple security audits, and with that system, so that we're ensuring that all the studios and all the stakeholders have the most secure system on that streaming technology. It's already very secured. It's AES 256-bit encrypted. There's like different password for people, different links, but we want to take it to the next level, which it will be the most secure system that you can use out there.